Dini last day Kolkata. Tak hostel Dini sengno thalai sinai internship pai. Thangna bagai hobar nursing tongo. Tripura thang sinai dini after 3 months. Hostel besang singtabo. Almost in hostel.
I'm coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming home.
Tapos gari kaza airport hangnay. Naka hindi kinawa sa misinay Tripura.
And the blood will dry underneath my nails, and the wind will rise up.
Airport tabo sapai kya tab sapai mo. Hangna mo chunga nago tinile sogi sinay.
We don't have to start the day yet. I just wanna stay, even if we run late. This morning, let's take our time. Everybody needs a break, right? Sometimes I wait for just an hour more. What's the rush? Who's calling? Who's calling? I won't ask for much. All I want is sleeping on a Sunday. The morning can put the day on hold. And if we want a sun ray, we know we can pull it from the window pane. Can save our energy for harder days. Stay a minute or just wait until Monday. Can we just stay in bed and watch the world go by?
Singtabo ga tale photo COVID test khajang bagi thang tongo. COVID test khajang necessary ni bagi tang test khajang nai airport no khaina je khatar ni khani ro ro test ma khajabo mane onya jaga khai thayang te ro ma khai bai singta thang nai tong sing khaya bagi line rom lai ja COVID test khajang bagi
तो मैं बोलना चाह रहा हूँ कि उनको भी बता दें।
negative 5 go.
Still far away from where I belong, but it's all